The greatest prophet, Moses, second part story. The people of Israel received a great deliverance during the time of Moses. That time, Egypt was a powerful country. We know Jacob, renamed Israel, was dead. Later, the Egyptians enslaved all these generation of Israel. There were 12 tribes of Israel. The Israelites were called Hebrews. Israelites were slaves in Egypt, being maltreated. Read Exodus chapter number 1, verses 6 to 14. As the years went by, Joseph and his brothers and their families died. But the Israelites, their descendants, multiplied and became a great nation in Egypt. Now a new king arose over Egypt who did not know Joseph. King was not known about the Hebrews as they were the descendants of Joseph. The king says, these Hebrews are huge in number. Their number is going on increasing. One day they will be able to fight along with our enemies and defeat us. So we have to take care not to increase their population. They hired cruel officers to derive hard work from them. The Israelites built the large warehouses for the king to store wheat and other grain in the two cities of Bimthom, Ramses. The population of Israelites was increasing despite the persecution of the Israelites. The Egyptians were afraid to see the huge population of Israelites. So the Egyptians persecuted them more and more. The Israelites worked hard and enslaved in the fields where they worked. If we read chapter number 1, verses 15 to 28, we will read this story, killing of all male children. Sipral and Puel were both Hebrew midwives. The king of Egypt told them both to do what he said. When you are going to help Hebrew woman in pregnancy, if the child is male, kill it immediately. He ordered them to leave alive if the child was a girl. But those midwives feared God. The midwives did not do so. They also made the boys alive. So God blessed those midwives. Their families were blessed. Israelites multiplied and became exceedingly numerous, so that the land was filled with them. Pharaoh issued a new edict that all male Israelite babies should be drowned in river Nile, but the girl child should be survived. We will see the third video next.